Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play PUBG Mobile on PC with Steam. First, understand that playing this mobile game on your computer requires a specific approach to get the best experience, rather than a direct Steam installation. We will guide you through the process of setting up an emulator, which acts like a virtual Android device. This allows you to download and play the game using your mouse and keyboard, offering significantly better control. Get ready to elevate your mobile gaming. To begin, you will need a reliable Android emulator installed on your personal computer. GameLoop, developed by Tencent itself, is the recommended and official choice for playing PUBG Mobile, ensuring the smoothest and most optimized performance. It is designed specifically for their games, providing excellent compatibility and minimal lag. While other emulators like BlueStacks also exist, GameLoop offers a tailored experience that greatly benefits your gameplay, enhancing response times and graphical fidelity. Once you have selected your emulator, download its installer from the official website. For example, search for GameLoop Download. Run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup on your personal computer. After installation, launch the emulator, then use its built-in app store to search for and download PUBG Mobile. Log in with your current game account, which ensures all your progress and purchases are immediately accessible. This crucial step links your mobile game data to your new desktop setup. With PUBG Mobile installed, the next vital step is to fine-tune your controls for a true personal computer experience. Most emulators provide a robust key mapping tool that allows you to assign specific keyboard keys to in-game actions like shooting, crouching, and reloading. Additionally, adjust your mouse sensitivity within the emulator and the game itself to find your optimal aiming speed. Spend some time experimenting with these settings, as a comfortable control scheme can significantly impact your performance and enjoyment during matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.